Unraveling the Mystery. What does blackballed really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard but may not fully understand: blackballed. This term has a unique history and a specific meaning in modern English. So, let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, blackballed, has a historical context. It originated from a voting method used in clubs and organizations, primarily in the 18th and 19th centuries. Members would vote on admitting new members by placing a ball in a box, a white ball for yes, and a black ball for no. If a person received even one black ball, they were typically denied membership. This practice was called blackballing. In contemporary English, to be blackballed means to be excluded, ostracized, or rejected by a group, organization, or community. It implies a collective agreement to exclude someone, often due to disapproval or distrust. This term is now used more broadly, beyond formal voting in clubs. For example, if someone is not invited to social events because the group disapproves of them, they are being blackballed. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use blackballed in sentences. 1. After the scandal, the actor was blackballed by the film industry, finding it hard to get roles. 2. Despite her qualifications, she felt she was blackballed at the club due to her outspoken political views. 3. He was blackballed from the online community for breaking its rules repeatedly. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for blackballed include ostracized, excluded, shunned, boycotted, banished. Each of these words carries a similar meaning but may be used in slightly different contexts. And that's a wrap on blackballed. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and enriched your understanding of English idioms and expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and the ever-changing ways we communicate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in our next linguistic adventure.